What's the biggest challenge you have in your business right now? Let me guess. Is it recruiting staff? I guessed it. Hey, we all have that challenge. But today we are going to talk about the top 5 things that we can do to enhance our recruiting efforts. Number 1, your website. What's your website look like? Is it modern? Is it up to date? Is it informative? If somebody goes on it, are they impressed and it's going to give them a great first impression of your company? If not, you've got to update it. And not only update it, but you've got to have an amazing careers page on your website. You can't just have a place that says, hey, work for us and send your resume to blankety-blank at gmail.com. No, you've got to have an amazing careers page that is going to tell the story of you and your company. What's it like to work there? Do you have videos of your staff talking about how great it is to work there? Do you have photographs of your amazing spaces? Do you have everything that you offer, your benefits, your education, things like that that are going to attract new recruits? This is what they're going to want to see, and they're going to find it on your website. So make sure not just your careers page, but your entire website is reflective of who you are as a company. Number 2, Instagram. You're going to want to make sure that your Instagram is better than your competitors. Well, not just for recruiting clients, but for recruiting staff. Stylists are constantly putting their work on Instagram. They love to be recognized. They love to get those hearts. They love to get those comments about how beautiful their work is. Well, they're going to be looking at whatever salon they're going to work at. What's that Instagram look like? And so you're going to want to make sure that your staff is taking photographs, that you're posting daily on Instagram, that you've got amazing lighting, all of the different things. You can't just have an Instagram and, well, we put something on there every once in a while. That's going to make you lose when it comes to recruiting staff. So you've got to make sure that your Instagram is absolutely amazing, that the work on there is beautiful, you've got great lighting for your photography, all of those things, because staff are going to use Instagram as a way of finding a place to work. Number 3, a well-defined career growth roadmap. Stylists these days, they don't just want to move into your business, they want to move up in your business. So you've got to make sure that you've got a ladder that they can climb and that they know about it. And so, while it's great to have, okay, here's how much money you're going to make, here's how much you're going to make in commission, here's the clientele you expect to have, that is not enough these days. Today, stylists really want to know what is your education program. They're going to want to know what is your creativity outlet. They want to take pictures. They want to make videos. They want to do all of these things that are going to enable them to really shine and grow their clientele. And so you've got to make sure that you've got a clear, defined path for them to take to not only make more money, but to really enhance their career overall. Number 4, involving your team in the recruitment process. First of all of your hairstylists went to cosmetology school with a ton of other hairstylists, right? And so there's going to be nothing better than a referral of somebody who knows a person already. First of all, you're going to find out who the most talented is, if they're going to fit into your culture, all of those different things. So if you want to come up with a referral bonus to your team for somebody who refers in a recruit, I think that's a fantastic idea. I love any ways that I can find to reward our team financially, but even better, if you can get somebody that comes into your company and is going to be a valuable member of the team, boy, that is invaluable. So make sure that your staff is involved in the recruitment process. Number 5, utilize your local cosmetology schools. Well, a lot of people say, I need somebody experienced. I need somebody that can make an impact right away. Well, let me tell you, that is much harder than it seems, right? You don't have world-class hairdressers just dropping into your lap every day. And so do what I call plant a seed and grow a tree. Our company has really succeeded because we took the time to invest in people right out of school. And now, sometimes it's a year later, 5 years later, 10 years later, even 15 years later, we have people that came to us from out of school and are now just amazing hairdressers that really make a massive impact in our company. So, get an education program, take somebody and nurture them. you're going to be so much better off, number one, because you're going to encase them in your culture, right? You're going to be able to train them the way that you want them to be trained. No nasty and bad habits are going to come in. So plant a seed, grow a tree, and in a year from now, you'll be thanking me. Well, that's the top 5 things to enhance your recruiting strategy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and put your comments down below. We'd love to hear about what you're doing as well to help out the community, to learn best practices, and maybe you've got something that you'd like to share. Love to hear about it. Put your comments down below. But anyway, see you next time.